Okay, now that we have those four things out of the way, we have the angle bisectors with the incenter, just reviewing a little bit, angle bisectors with the incenter, the medians with the centroid, perpendicular bisectors with the circumcenter, and the much less important altitudes with the orthocenter. Let's do some problems. In triangle LMN, R is the centroid. Okay, start thinking. What's so special about a centroid? We can do a little bit of math with our centroid. Okay, if MQ is 52, I'm going to change that to 51. Yours might already be changed. Mine is not. Let's make it 51. Trust me, it's going to work nicer that way for our purposes. Find the length of MR and QR. Okay, this is 51. All right, so whatever this is twice that. And we've already addressed this in another video. When we have a centroid, then whatever this is, I'm going to call it X, and let's call it X in purple, just for fun. Then this is going to be 2X. Well, X plus 2X is 51. 3X is 51. X is 17. And the problem's really that easy. So here's final answer. QR is 17 centimeters, and MR is 2 times 17, 34 centimeters. Another way of looking at this would be that this value right here is 1/3 of 51, and this one is going to be 2/3 of 51. Okay, let's go to the next problem. PQ, OS, and NR are medians. Stop, make sure you know what you're doing. PQ, OS, NR are medians. That means we're dealing with the centroid. Same idea. Most of the practical problems we deal with comes from the centroid. The other ones are good to know, but the centroid's the biggie. Orthocenter, nah, doesn't even get invited out to eat with the rest of them. Sad. So I'm going to just kind of stop right there and label a few things. And here's what I'm going to label. I know that because I'm dealing with medians, that this side is the same as, well, sorry, this segment, OR, is the same as this one, RP. And NS is the same as SP. And OQ is the same as QN. I don't care how you label them, but they're the same. So let's keep reading. OQ is 8. Oh, good to know. OQ is 8. Don't even think too hard. There's 8 right there. OT is 7. Okay, stop right there. Haven't even finished reading it, but I already know some stuff. 7 is 2/3 of this entire length. 7 is 2/3 of the full length. And if you want to write that out as an equation, you can, if that's how you process it. 7 is 2/3 of that entire length, whatever this is. This would be OS. And so I could multiply by the reciprocal and multiply by 3/2 on both sides. 3/2. Cancel, 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 cancel. And so now I know that OS is 21/2. That's 10.5. And that's great. And therefore, this would be 1/3 of 10.5, or faster way, ST is half of 7. So here's what I don't know yet. What's half of 7? 3.5. Boom, now I know it. Which actually answers one of the questions. But we'll keep reading. OT is 7, and NR is 15. Okay. 15. If this is 15, this is 1/3 of 15. This is 2/3 of 15. I know everything there is to know about this problem at this point. Let's finalize our answer. ON is 8 and 8. Must be 16 centimeters. ST is half of 7, also known as 1/3 of this full thing. We didn't have to go through all this. I'm just showing you in case you need it later. 3.5 centimeters. NT is 10, and TR is 5. Centimeters.